Hi guys, so it's me once again, Bortey the Traveler. So today is another day. I'm in Bosnia, in the city of Mostar, Bosnia. People are quite nice, and I'm loving it. The perception that I have about Bosnia was, in fact, I was wrong. For the past years, I was wrong because of what they went through, the war, and so on and so forth. But Bosnia is an amazing country, and Mostar is the fifth largest city in Bosnia. So guys, stay tuned as I discover more about the city of Mostar. Stay tuned. Mostar is one of Bosnia's most beautiful cities and the top attraction in the Balkans. It is rich in culture, history, and beautiful buildings. Whether you plan to stay a few days or visit on a day trip from nearby Croatia, Mostar is definitely worth a visit. Walking in these streets made me feel like I'm on the Oxford streets in Accra, Osu.
My name is Bortey.
Bortey?
Yes, I'm from Africa.
Africa. One of my favorite song tellers is Mr. Dino Dvornik. Let's type in Google.
Yeah.
Dino Dvornik. He has one of the best songs, Africa.
Yeah, I will do that.
In Ghana, I know.
You know Ghana. Ghana is situated in West Africa.
Yes, I know West Africa. Ghana.
I'm from Accra.
Very nice. Welcome to Bosnia, to Mostar.
To Mostar. Thank you. I love the place. What's so special about this place, Mostar?
This is the place where East meets West. We are now standing on the old bridge.
Beautiful.
The old bridge is constructed by the famous Sultan Suleiman, the merciful, the magnificent emperor of the Sultan Ottoman Empire.
Yes.
The most powerful emperor of all time, so the Ottoman Empire, which was ruling over 3 continents, Europe, Asia, and Africa.
Yes.
5 seas. And he has constructed a huge, grand sculpture of the huge, old, magnificent bridge which connected East and West world, because the border of the East and West Roman Empire was going here, stretching itself, and where the Western influence from Austria.
The name Mostar itself is derived from its historic bridge, which means guardians of the bridge, rebuilt in 2004 and becoming one of UNESCO's World Heritage since 2005. Hundreds of thousands of tourists come here each year to have an antique experience.
The perception I have about Bosnia before.
Yes?
Is to be honest with you, I'm wrong.
Yes? Tell me.
People are very nice in Bosnia.
People in Bosnia are extremely nice.
Yeah, very nice.
We are handsome and
almost everybody speaks English. Is it your second language or?
it is my first language because I work in the tourism business during the war.
Beautiful. And how is the weather like here during the winter?
In Ghana, there was a war, I think, some times ago.
Ghana, no.
Ghana, no. So you're lucky, guys.
Yeah, we're lucky.
We had a very devastating war 30 years ago.
Yeah, I remember.
And this war has...
That's why I was telling you the perception I was having about Bosnia.
No, it's not about perception.
Yeah.
We in Bosnia, we didn't wanted the war.
Yeah.
We in Bosnia didn't affect the war. We in Bosnia didn't participate for the establishment or beginning of the war.
Yeah.
So we in Bosnia were clear victims of the war.
Yeah.
Since we were living our lives in our homes, in our cities, and we
Yeah.
were attacked by the borders from the east and west.
The West, yeah.
So we were the victim of the attackers from east and west.
Yeah.
But we Bosnians decided to fight back very hard. Also, we had no weapons, but our families, our fathers, our grandfathers,
The war ended in a settlement. Although the Bosniak goal of independence, Bosnia was accomplished. The Serbs preserved most of their territorial gains and self-rule in Republika Srpska.
Front line empty-handed and to fight against the Serbians, Montenegro, and later even Croats, our former allies. To fight them is very difficult if you have nothing to fight with. So we had to fight with the bare empty hands.
Yeah.
Where many of our men died, but we eventually won. When we won the war 95, the Christian Europe and the Americans decided to stop it by Dayton Peace Agreement. Because in 95, we Bosnians won the upper hand in the war. So the Serbians and Croats started losing the entire war. And they froze the situation, which they did is freeze, stop
The war.
the war, because they didn't allow.
Also, ethnic cleansing led to permanent changes in the demographic composition of the Bosnia regions, with Serbs benefiting the most.
Which the Serbians live, and which is a terrorist site.
Yeah, I thought Bosnia was dominated by the Muslims, but in fact, I'm wrong. It's 50-50.
Actually
We have a
not.
lot of Christians.
Actually
Yeah.
not. In Bosnia we have a lot of Christians.
Yeah.
But we have approximately 40% of
Muslims.
Christians in Bosnia, but 60% of Muslims. Because the task of the terrorist is not achieved. The terrorists from Serbia, the terrorists from Montenegro, the terrorists from Croatia wanted to wipe out the entire Muslim population of Bosnia, but they suck because in war we kill all of their soldiers. What they did is they did the genocide, the cleansing of the Muslim Bosnian civilians, which were unarmed, children, women. So they did the ethnic cleansing in several of the cities very close to Drina, Srebrenica, Žepa, Višegrad, Foča, Nevesinje, Trebinje, Prijedor in the central Bosnia, and so on. But they kill innocent civilians which had no arms.
Very sad.
But in the front line, in the direct front, the war zone, Bosnian State Army killed them all. So that's why they had to subscribe
And
to
I'm
the peace agreement.
I'm quite amazed the way you guys have reconstructed the country.
Well, look,
Very clean.
it is something very
I'm shocked.
close
I
to
was
our
shocked when
history.
when I
Yes,
landed in Bosnia.
yes,
It's
because
very clean.
we have this
People
tradition
are
of
amazing.
absolute cleaning our homes, cleaning everything, and we live a domestic life. We cherish our families, our tradition, which must be respected.
Yeah. Is it cold here? In
No,
winter time?
we have Mediterranean climate in the South Bosnia, North Bosnia is very cold.
Like
What
how
I
many
suggest
degrees?
you, like normal, approximately 10 degrees.
10 degrees.
What I can suggest you is buy a book I have read.
I would.
My trip was during my winter break, and the weather couldn't permit me to have all the fun, but I can assure you to come summer, Mostar is the place to be. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more and drop a comment. The name remains Bortey the Traveler.